Most people get this wrong when comparing FieldPulse and Workiz. They think it is just about features and pricing. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real difference is how each platform handles real field operations when your business gets busy. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you will understand the honest 2026 comparison between FieldPulse and Workiz, including scheduling, dispatching, pricing style, ease of use, and which one actually fits your business type. Let's start with the basics. Both FieldPulse and Workiz are field service management tools used by contractors like plumbers, locksmiths, HVAC technicians, and cleaning businesses. Think of someone like Alex, who runs a mobile locksmith company with 6 technicians. His biggest challenge is not getting customers. It is dispatching the right tech at the right time without confusion. Now here's where it gets interesting. Workiz is known for being very strong in communication and call tracking. It helps you manage inbound leads, phone calls, and job scheduling in one place. If your business depends heavily on phone calls and fast booking, Workiz feels very powerful. FieldPulse, on the other hand, focuses more on structured job management. It gives you deeper control over workflows, job stages, and internal operations. It is built for contractors who want more systemized processes rather than just fast scheduling. But here's the problem. Workiz can feel slightly limited if your business needs very deep customization in job workflows. And FieldPulse can feel like too much if you just want something simple and quick. Let's talk scheduling and dispatching. Workiz has a clean system that makes it easy to assign jobs quickly, especially for same-day service businesses. It is very efficient for fast-moving teams like emergency locksmith services or junk removal companies. FieldPulse also has strong scheduling, but it adds more layers like job statuses, workflow customization, and detailed job tracking. This helps when you are managing multiple crews and complex jobs. Now, pricing. Workiz usually follows a clearer subscription model, but costs can increase as you add users and advanced features. FieldPulse pricing is often quote-based, which means it can vary depending on your business size and needs. But here's where it gets interesting. Automation and control. FieldPulse tends to win when it comes to building structured workflows and long-term process control. Workiz wins when speed, communication, and call handling are your top priority. Mobile experience is strong on both sides. Workiz is very technician-friendly and fast to use in the field. FieldPulse gives more detailed job management tools but may take slightly more time to learn. So which one should you choose? If your business is fast-paced, depends heavily on phone calls, and you want quick scheduling, Workiz is usually the better fit. If you are scaling a structured team and want deeper operational control, FieldPulse becomes more powerful. Here are the key takeaways. Workiz is faster and communication-focused. FieldPulse is deeper and workflow-focused. The best choice depends on whether your priority is speed or structure. If this breakdown helped you, hit like, comment which one you are considering, and subscribe for more clear software comparisons that help you choose without confusion.